Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette, and guess what? I cannot believe that in less than a month we are going to be right in the middle of the Virtual Blythe Retreat 2025. Tammy and I have been really busy making things and coming up with activities and workshops, and we're really excited for this year's theme, Spread Kindness. We do have passes left, and we have a few goodie bags left. I'll actually leave a link down in the description box below to Tammy's Etsy shop, Kawaii dolls. And, if you're interested, you can go over there and purchase you a pass. And if you want, you could also get yourself a goodie bag. Speaking of the goodie bag, there are several things in there that are a lot of fun. We've got a little doll t-shirt. We have these little suitcase things that you can put together. There's a cell phone for your doll. Anyway, a lot of little fun things. Oh, tennis shoes. Forgot about those. Those are in there. But it's a fun little goodie bag. Something else that's in there is this right here, which I'm going to show you in detail exactly what this is. So we have several projects where I'm going to be showing y'all how to make earrings and a pull charm and some other things. And this is everything, almost everything you need in order to make the items that I'll be showing you how. I'm not including the wire. So you either need 20 gauge or 22 gauge wire. You're also going to need some pliers, some wire cutters, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers. And I'm going to show you exactly what's in here. That way, if you're interested in getting maybe an extra kit, or you just want to go purchase things for the projects, this will give you the idea of exactly what you need. So I'm going to start out with these buttons here. They're just little buttons. We're going to make something with those. Now, if you wanted to have your own buttons available, you could use round buttons, or maybe you have buttons that are shaped like puppy dogs, or, a square, or something other than a heart. That's okay. You just want to make sure there are 2 holes, not a 4-hole, and not the one that's got a shank on the back, but you need 2 2-hole beads, okay? And then you need a charm. In the kit, you will get a smiley face charm. But there again, if you've got some other charm you want to use, maybe you have a heart charm, or maybe you want to make a charm out of a bead. You could do that too, okay? Put that over there. And then you're going to need 4. These are 8mm beads. You could probably go down to 6mm and maybe even go up to 10mm. 8 is the best though. These are just glass beads. Stick those over there. And then you're going to need 2 lobster claw clasps. Okay. So you'll get 2 lobster claw clasps in your kit if you decide to purchase one. And then you're going to need some ear wire. So you can probably guess we're going to be making some earrings. And I can't remember how many beads we have. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14, 16, 8. There's 20. 20. These are called E-beads. And they're basically big seed beads. And they come in a container like this. Okay. See, they're a 6.0 glass seed beads. And you'll need about 20 of those. Now, I've got mine in a Ziploc baggie because once you open these, I've been doing a lot of travel, and don't want these beads to fall out. And this thing will come open, as you can tell, That's what happened here, but that's why it is in a Ziploc baggie. So if it does come open, I don't have beads all over the place. But anyway, one last look here. If you decide to purchase a jewelry making kit alone, I have them in my shop, Tappingflamingobling, Etsy. I will leave a link down in the description box below to my shop and to this. So you can, like I said, if you're interested, you can purchase it. If you want to just go purchase these separately, you can do that too. Again, Tammy and I are really excited about this, and it will be here before you know it. June 20th, 21st, and 22nd are the dates, and spread kindness is the theme. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette signing out for now. Bye-bye.